Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to change a couple of little things around and then we'll take it out for a drive. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so what I want to do is change the far left gauge to back to manifold. That'll be manifold, that'll be TD05's boost, and then over here on the GFB, that'll be the GT35's boost. Hopefully I've got enough silicon hose to make it all work. Otherwise I might have to swap over the gauges, so put it back to how it was before and then bring the manifold to GT35 one. Alright, I managed to find a length of vacuum line that was long enough, so I've got that going through there. I need to block that one off. So the one that I had down here, which I've misplaced, right, found it, it was just sitting on my hat over there. So yeah, that's blocked off there. So I've got GT35 running to wastegate and to the boost solenoid, and then blocked off. I've got this line coming out that goes to the GT35's old boost gauge that now runs down to the manifold, so we should be getting a vacuum and overall boost. What I was saying last time, there's about a 2 psi drop from TD05 to the manifold, so we're getting that loss through the intercooler and piping. That'd be good to see. I need to put a zip tie on that because that's a bit loose there. And then down here we have reference for the boost gauge on the right hand side and for the wastegate down there. Alright, so I'm just going to check the oil, make sure it's all good. This is still the break-in oil, so this weekend coming up I will do an oil change, and then hopefully in the not too distant future this will be coming out again to get the cams and a couple of other little things. See how we go. We're going to take this out for a test drive tonight because I'm going to drive it to work tomorrow. Still a lot of things to do, guys. A lot to do. It's never ending. Alright guys, I've put these back on so it looks reasonable. I'm going to go inside and grab the laptop, bring it back out, and we'll head out. I'm not going to record in the car tonight. I'll record tomorrow during daylight. I think you've seen enough of me driving around in the dark. Come back in the morning when I'm on my way to work. Hi guys, took it for a drive. Had some issues. The power steering was squealing again, so yeah, I've been playing with the belt, so loosened that off a little bit and it's all good. Just went for a good drive. I stuffed up just before when I was changing the GT35 gauge over to manifold pressure. I forgot that I actually tapped into that for the GFB under the dash. So now the GFB is showing manifold pressure. So obviously boost targets are different now. Driving around, we got to 10 psi. It sounds good, it sounds safe, so I'm just going to leave it there for the moment until I fix it, obviously. So I'm just going to have to run a hose from under the dash up to the GT35 for the GFB, and then we'll just leave the other one for the manifold. I'll do that maybe tomorrow. So yeah, we'll come back in the morning and take it to work. Pretty happy with it. Just got to make sure I warm it up. Temperatures are still good. Yeah, it's getting cold outside, but it's running good. I'll look at work when I park there, park somewhere different, see if there's any coolant. Alright, enough talking. Let's get driving in the morning, in daylight. Alright, so I'm sitting here, warming the car up. It's at 67 degrees. I just came back out and the power steering's gone funny again. I don't know what's going on with it. It's really annoying me. I don't have a leak. There's no air getting into it. I didn't change anything since driving it last night, which was fine. So here we go. Maybe it needs to warm up, I don't know. driving.
One eternity later.
Alright. See how this beast is. What's going on with the power steering? Feels a lot better already. Changing the duty cycle. Holy crap. Alright guys, this is the next morning, and yesterday when I left work there was no coolant leak on the ground at all. Still need to do more tuning on boost, so I'll take it out tonight and do that. That'll be off camera. So guys, I'm going to finish this episode here. If you enjoyed this episode, keep watching the content up here. I'll see you next episode. Bye.